To hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, you will need 4,000 people to watch your videos for 1 hour, or 8,000 people to watch your videos for 30 minutes, or 16,000 people to watch your videos for 15 minutes, or 32,000 people to watch your video for 7.5 minutes, or 64,000 people to watch your videos for 3.8 minutes. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drop. Today we'll be talking about how to hit the 4,000 watch hours. It is easy for you to get 1,000 subscribers, but hitting that 4,000 watch hours is a whole lot of hell, especially for small YouTubers. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you proven strategies and tips that will help you hit that 4,000 watch hours in 28 days, guys. If you follow this step by step, you find out that you will get to your 4,000 watch hours in less than no time. Now, you might have been uploading long form videos, and yes, it is fine to upload long form videos, but we are also going to analyze how your long form videos will get to 4,000 watch hours and the time is going to take. So quickly, let us dive in. Now, the first and the most proven strategy to get 4,000 watch hours is live stream. Yes, you heard me right. Live stream. Go live, okay? If you go live now, if you are going live, make sure that you are going for a minimum of 1 hour to 10 hours. Please do not exceed 11 hours to 12 hours. It will be reserved as an archive. If you are going live, make sure that at least it is 1 hour minimum and 10 to 11 hours maximum. Now let me tell you, people will tend to watch you. I went to a popular YouTuber's live, and I found out that for the first 30 minutes he was still arranging his studios and people were hanging around waiting. Do you know the watch hours that has already generated? Now, I am not saying that when you go live you just have to be doing some things, but then go live. Live have a way of gathering a whole lot of watch hours. Now you might be asking, okay, does it mean I have to go live for like 3-4 hours and all? No, it doesn't mean that in a day you go live for 10 hours. You can go live today for 2 hours, and probably over the weekend you go live for another 2 hours. That's 4 hours in a week. All right, then the next week you do the same. As long as you have enough retention on those your life, you find out that you start gathering watch hours. And now life have a way of making you communicate with your community. It helps you ask questions, and you know what your viewers want, what your subscribers want, and then somebody can come across your videos when you are live and subscribe to your videos. But the most important thing is getting that watch hour. So live stream is the best. You can do a silent live stream, or you can do a faceless live stream, okay, where you just express yourself but you are not showing your face there. But you can also show your face there and chat with your community. This will go a long way to get you that 4,000 watch hours in 28 days. So if you schedule your live, you can even go live 3 times in a week, or 2 times in a week, or even once in a week if it's okay for you. That will go a very, very long way to gather you watch hours. It has been proven. Now YouTubers are using it. You can see even small YouTubers. There's no small YouTuber that do not go live for at least once in a week. Now you will ask, what is the eligibility of going live? You need to have 50 subscribers to go live on YouTube. So if you don't have that, please leave your comment in the comment section. All right, you can leave vibe for vibe. You do not need to express that, okay, I want you to come and subscribe, because YouTube know all these languages, and even if the person subscribes to your channel, they will bring down those subscriptions. So leave your comments at the comment section and click and add vibe for vibe. Okay, somebody who is interested in your channel will reply you and will watch a video, leave a comment, and that will go a long way to help you get that subscribers. This bring us to the second strategy. Now the second strategy is, are you uploading frequently? Yes, uploading frequently might not be the same with uploading consistently. Now, this is English language. Now, let me break it down. When you're uploading frequently, it means that always you are showing up. But when it's consistent, I want to add something into that consistency. It then means that I am bringing a better version of myself anytime I am uploading a new video. Now, it can be my intro that is changing. Gone are the days when anything you upload on YouTube, people tend to watch it. Now, people are looking for values. They are looking for a way that you will add value to them. Any video that is not adding value to anybody, people are not watching it. You have to know something, that on YouTube here, engagement is key. So take a look at that content that you are dishing out. Is it evergreen? Is it a content that somebody will watch today and want to watch it tomorrow? Okay, take a look at that content again and again, and look at your mistakes, look at your S factors, look at your characteristics that you know that is not unique about that content. Is it a video that you yourself that is making that video can sit and watch that video for at least 5 to 10 minutes? Now, if you upload long form videos, it is very nice to upload long form videos, but like I have made the analysis that okay, you will need about 4,000 people to stick to your videos for 1 hour for you to get that 4,000 watch hours, or you need 8,000 people to stay on that video for 30 minutes for you to get your 4,000 watch hours. But if you are not doing a video that is taking as long as 1 hour 30 minutes, okay, now break it down. Any video you are doing, make sure that it is a video that can retain people, and make sure that it is a video that can draw engagement, that can leave a review. That engagement will help you to push that video. The more people are watching that video, the more you are getting your 4,000 watch hours. This is very, very simple. So now you have to be consistent. A lot of people have subscribers, but they are not consistent in uploading videos. So most times you see people tell you that I've been on YouTube for a year. So people upload videos for like some months, and when it seems that okay, it is not working for me, then they will leave and return back after some months or probably a year, and they will start trying again. It will be like start trying afresh. If you have started YouTube, it might look difficult because hitting the first 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch hours is a whole lot of work. But once you get there, you find out that a whole lot of difference will start happening on that channel. Okay, now upload frequently, go live, use your live streams, all right, and make sure that your content are valuable, your content are adding values, all right. So if you do this, you'll find out that gradually you start getting your watch hours. You can schedule the time you go on live. It can be on weekend, anytime that suits you. This will go a long way to give you 4,000 watch hours. If you found this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drop. See you next in our next video. Bye.